Hello everybody, it's Jen, Scrapbena Creations. I have a card making haul for June. I've had a few orders come in over the last month and didn't have enough to show, so I thought I would do a collective haul for you today. So first of all, I'm going to show you what I purchased from Not Too Shabby Shop. I am a designer for Not Too Shabby, so you can use coupon code JEN10, that's Jen with 2 N's, to save 10% off your purchase. There is free shipping on US orders over 60, and Jamie regularly has free with 60 purchases. When I made my purchase, this was the freebie. So pretty. It's the pink and main little flower sequins or confetti. My design team stamp for the month of June is the Lawn Fawn Smooth Sailing. I'm so excited to get creating with this, and Jamie colored up this little card using the Not Too Shabby stamp Woodland Buddies. She always attaches a cute card or tag to our design team projects, so that's what you'll be seeing from me this month. Of course, I ordered a bunch of stuff from the new Lawn Fawn release. I just couldn't help myself. I got the Keep On Swimming because I couldn't resist the cat, and this puffer fish in 3 various stages is just so adorable. So I picked that up. I asked Jamie to order in the Baked with Love set. This is an oldie. I've always wanted it. Finally decided to get it, so she was able to bring that in for me, which is awesome. So if you ever have any questions about an older product, be sure to ask her if she can still get it. Let me see, I picked up a few dies here. So I got the new Sandy Beach accents. So these you can die cut into some cardstock or some paper, and then you can tuck your images in where the line cuts. So loving that. I also grabbed the slide on over waves. So these go great to make fun ocean or water themed cards that are interactive. And then I picked up the palm tree border dies as well from the new release. Jamie had also brought in these border dies by Pink and Main. They were really a great price, and this is called the Essentials Classic Edges. There's 5 pieces, and I thought this would just bring a little bit something different to my card making. Sometimes when I'm making cards, I feel like I'm doing the same thing over and over. So I'm excited to play with those. I also grabbed the MFT Greetings and Salutations stamp set. I love a good sentiment stamp set. This is from my favorite things. If I didn't say that, I think I might have though. But I love using these for the front of cards, but mostly the inside of cards. So I love having different things that I can add to the inside. And I felt like this was really unique, especially the sentiment, like it's okay to not be okay. You can always trust me. Thanks for your help. I'm so sorry you're hurting. I'd be lost without you, and things will totally work out. So I thought that was a great sentiment stamp. I grabbed the Lawn Fawn Prismaglitter, which is super gorgeous. It's so fine detailed and super glittery and shiny. Jen Shirkus from Lawn Fawn made me fall in love with this when I took a class of hers this summer. I also ended up grabbing the Spring Fling, it's a bit of a tongue twister, 6x6 paper pad. This came out in the previous release, but I've seen some really pretty wallpaper backgrounds with the florals, and then you can never go wrong with this smaller print here. I haven't opened it up, but you can see some of the prints. Really pretty. This is single-sided, so always fun to have a new paper pad. Last month I ordered these 2 stamps from Not Too Shabby, just didn't have a chance to show them. So this is the Coastal Cuties. I do have a video already posted showing how you can use a mini stamp set to create a full-size card. I used this image 3 times and just colored her differently so she looked different. And then I really liked these cloud dies as well. So these ones here will actually cut out a cloud shape, and I don't really have a cloud die, believe it or not. So This is good to add to my stash. And then these ones just leave the little dotted lines on your pattern paper. So I thought that was fun to have both of those. Okay, we'll jump into the next store. So from my local scrapbook store, I also purchased a couple of smaller stamp sets from the Lawn Fawn release. So this is the A Little Sparkle with the unicorn. It's adorable. I have a fun collaboration coming up with this stamp set, so stay tuned for that. I also grabbed the Peacock before and afters. I thought this was so cute. I couldn't resist the sentiment Shake Your Tail Feathers. So this is from my local scrapbook store in Halifax, Nova Scotia, Canada. So for any of you who are looking for a Canadian site, Maple Syrup Designs is an online store. She's having a sale right now with some great prices on a whole bunch of things. I picked up some sale item Distress Oxide refill inks. So they were such a great price, and I don't have any refills, so I just grabbed the ones that I used the most and then added the mini ink cube in the regular Distress ink in Black Soot because I have sold my larger one. I'll just show a couple things from Simon Says Stamp. I grabbed another older Lawn Fawn set. This is the Screen Time, which is adorable. Thought I would add that to my collection. And then I picked up this designer paper pad by Your Next Stamp called Sweet Baby. I didn't have anything in my stash for baby cards, and I really loved the pattern on that paper. And finally, I just wanted to share with you, if you caught my video where I talked about the pin in my art glitter glue, the little top of the pin broke off, so I couldn't use my metal tip adapter. I did reach out to Art Glitter and let them know that I had that issue. Many of you also said that your pins had broken. They replied back to me that this is the first time they've ever heard that their pins have broke. So just a tip that if you have a product that you're spending your money on and it either breaks or doesn't work to what your expectations are, let them know so that they know and they can fix the issue. Their customer service was absolutely amazing. They sent me a new metal tip with a pin and then some replacement pins in case they continue to break, hopefully not. And they wanted to let everyone know that you can order these on their website. So I'll leave the links below to that in case you want to grab some additional pins in case you're having the same problem as me. I absolutely love the glue. I'm excited to get that metal tip back on. And as always, I will leave the links below for everything in the description box. I'm excited to get crafting, and I hope you look forward to my card creations. Take care, everybody. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.